So let's start. So today is January 21st already. So time is so fast, guys. Let's start answering this question first. What memories would you like to redo? So there's a saying by Falsifer that says, no one could ever take your memories from you. Each day is a new beginning. So make good memories every day. But if you have a chance to redo, like do it again or make it over, what would you want to do? A little time to think. I'm checking attendance, okay, guys. 28. Alana, who is it? He's not. Oh, wait, sorry.
No, because Sunny was asking if you took attendance yet.
Oh, not yet. I'm still setting up my attendance. So 29, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I'm missing 4. So let me just 21. This people's favorite number.
Quinn's not here. But it's a name, so that's why.
Hold on. I'm still not ready. Hold on. Mark all present. So Queen High is not here. Uranus is not here. I need that's 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I need 2 more. Let me see. Oh, 30, 31. One more. I don't know. Let me see. Queenie. Lena is here. Career Queen is here. Sapphire is here. Double Tiffin is here. Savvas is here. Let's see. Andy's here. Iman is here.
Vicky is not here.
Who is it?
Vicky.
Oh, Vicky. Vicky who? Vicky Zhang. Oh, yeah. You're right. Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, then. All right, who would like to share? So, what memories you would like to redo? Anybody would like to share? Selena.
I wouldn't really redo any memories because, I don't want to, and sometimes you might ruin some things.
Yes,
And
that's true.
most of them are good, so yeah.
So you want to keep all your memories. Omar.
There was a time where all my family would gather together. We would sit down and play some games, and that really never happened anymore. So I would go back to that time and have fun with my family again.
That's true. That's true. You remind me of one thing that I want to redo. Who else would like to share? Let me see in the chat. Most memories I want to redo. I didn't get it. So let's say, for example, we went to Philippines one time. We spent Christmas and New Year there, and it doesn't happen all the time. It's been so many years we never experienced Christmas with the family together. So that memory I want to redo. Maybe next year, maybe in 2 years from now. Definitely not this year because I think COVID is still lingering. So that's kind of memory I want to do again. Something fun. It's not the memory that you want to, like something bad that you want to fix it. You can't fix anything, but something, the happy moments that you want to do again with someone, right? So anybody else would like to share? Because I know that it happens only once. It may not happen again. That's why you want to like refresh the memory, like Omar said, have fun with family. Okay, anyone else? Morning. I heard a song. Selena, you want to do it again? Anyone else would like to share about Tiffany? Tiffany H or J? Want to share? Alana, want to say it again? I know I want to redo some.
I want to go to youth stand again, like the summer camp.
Yeah, something like that. No embarrassing moments. You don't want to redo your embarrassing moments, and you cannot fix it. Like something that happened to you bad, you cannot redo that. You don't want to redo that, and you cannot fix it anyway. So, what you can redo is the fun thing that happened to you, right? All right. So, at least you have an idea what you want to do again, like something fun that we never had for so long because of this situation. All right. So let's go to the next slide. So today we're going to solve real world problems by dividing with mixed numbers using algorithms only today. Okay, guys? Yesterday, I know I asked you to do the slides, the last slide, but it's not working. So I redo it, but I just changed the number. So here, I want you to like work on this one. Draw anywhere in the slide, just using algorithm. Remember the video that we watched yesterday? All right, so I could give you the link, Sunny. Alright guys, working it. Welcome. So solving this equation, this expression, 4 and 4/5 divided by 2 and 2.5. So let's see what others have answered. So Alana did that. Okay. So you're gonna change 4. Alright, so you're changing each one first to improper fraction. Looking good. Oh, Vicky's here. Can someone repost the link for me? Alright, gonna look again at your answers, guy, in a minute. Thank you, Alana. Thank you, Selena. To you, Monday. 3 of you repost the link. Thanks. So Vicky is here. How about Quinn? It's a cat. How about Quinn? Are you here? No? Alright. May, June, July, and August. Alright, so guys, in last minute. Last minute. Let me see. Are we getting report cards? you're gonna get your report card at Pupil Path. Is that what you're asking?
I mean when, like what day
Oh,
are we gonna get
when?
it?
So
Twenty-nine.
the marking period is over this week, next week, by the end of the month. So usually they give teachers a week to do the grades. Um, so probably before the February break, you're gonna get the report card. I don't know yet, as Lena. You could check your pupil path, but for me, just check your Google Classroom. I haven't transferred anything to pupil path, so all my grades are in Google Classroom. I haven't like moved them. They promised to sync Google Classroom and pupil path, but so far until now they haven't done that. So my grades you could see in Google Classroom. You could see your grades. All right, so let's see. I gonna move them this weekend. I had to move them by the end of the month because the grades needs to be in the people path to go to the report card. So the only difference you might see, no, but the percentage here and there is the same, so it will be the same. I might end up just putting the grades and the details in the Google Classroom. Are your parents have access to Google Classroom? No.
I think they have to like go through the computer to get it. Like the parents don't have
But
like
don't,
the computer
isn't that
screen.
we invite them to see what you're saying in Google Classroom?
I don't know. I don't think you can invite the parents because they don't have the SCIS email. Like they don't have school email.
Ah, okay. But I will see. But
Like they can go to Pupil Path, and if you upload the things there, they can see it.
yeah, I
But the
know.
Google Classroom, I don't think
In Pupil
so.
Path, I know parents have access to Pupil Path since you're elementary school. That's how you did it. But I wonder if they also have access to the Google Classroom since we invited all of them to join. You know, like
You would?
yeah, like for
When?
example, here in Google Classroom, right? So wait, let me change my account. So for example here, so 614. I don't know if you guys, Miss Strong invited you. So people see the, oh no, your parents were not invited. So because in other class, let's say I don't know what class was that I saw, their parents are link. Maybe I'll link your parents here. No, here, grades.
You
No, no,
gotta
no.
go to People, not
People. I
Google
don't know why I keep
Classroom.
on, I don't know what I keep on clicking, Alana. So here, no, not two. I don't know what class. Maybe my seventh grade class. Yeah, seventh grade. Like their parents have access to the Google Classroom. So I think you're gonna invite your parents. I'll be the one to invite because I think this one, uh, Miss Strong, the seventh grade, whoever is that,
Can't you
invited
just
them.
see it on the student computer if you go and switch?
No, I don't know. We'll see. I don't have my mom. Okay, so
No.
here we go. So let's see what we have here. So I didn't even look at everybody's answer because I was like doing something else, looking at anything else. So let's see, just see some responses. So here we have, this was Alana. So 24 and 4/5, she changed it into mixed number to improper fraction. And then that becomes 5 over 2, and we switch it to multiplication, that becomes 2 over 5. So your answer is 1 and 2/5. I mean 1 and 23 over 25. That's correct. So here, improper to mix, then to switch to reciprocal. So you guys are good at this. So who's this one? Did I answer them? Korea, how come you didn't answer that? All right, so you're good. Right. So we're good. We're good. We're good. All right. So you guys are okay. I don't need to look all the way down to see if everybody's doing better. Except for this one. I think it's just starting doing it. Came late a little bit. Okay. So what's 1.42? What's this? 48 over 25. Mm, 24. Uh, what is that? I want to understand what happened here. So you multiply
I know
24, that's 48,
Um,
and that's 25. And
what he did was 48 divided by 25, which is 1.92.
I know, but the answer is. Oh, yeah. I was thinking the answer is 23 and 4. Like, sure, you need. That's correct. But you just have to put them in a fraction form. Now, my brain's telling me that it's 23 and 24 over 25. My bad. All right, so we're good. So moving forward to this. You guys are good with this? So let's see. So here we go. So a jeweler has a 5.5 inch strip of silver wire that she is cutting into 1 3/8 inch pieces. How many pieces will she make? Solve this problem in any way you choose. So actually, I'm just gonna ask you to do it using algorithm, but that's the easy way rather than the diagram. Go ahead, I'll give you a minute. So again, for those who cannot read it because it's small, a jeweler, the one that's making like bracelets and everything like that, has a 5.5 inch strip of a silver wire that she cut into 1 3/8 inch pieces. How many pieces will she make? Solve this problem you do in any way you like. Jin, you were raising your hand.
I have a question.
Go
What kind
ahead.
of jeweler uses glue and rubber bands to make jewelry?
The jeweler. What is a jeweler? She's making jewelry, making
Those aren't
bracelets.
rubber bands. Those are bracelets and stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be gold. You could do rubber bands. You could do like strings, whatever you want, right? They make jewelry for you. Jewelry doesn't need to be gold all the time.
Yeah, because if every person, whatever jewelry they bought was gold, the jewelers would be rich and the people who bought it wouldn't have any money.
Correct. Yes, Lena, that's correct. So, since next week is our test, so the homework that I'm going to be posting for you on Monday will be word problems. You need to identify if you divide, you multiply, or you subtract. No one is failing as long as you come to class, you do your work, okay? Yes, it's a post test. Unit lesson 1 is done in Savvas. We're already done with this unit, so when we come back by
Will you
February,
post it on Sunday, like the word problems, or no?
you want me to put it on Sunday? Other people gonna kill me.
Why? You just have an extra day to do it. I
I
wouldn't
gonna
be mad
post
at
it.
that.
No, no one changed the grade. Whatever you're gonna have a big test coming soon. Big test is 50% of your grade. I might give you a little bit. I don't know if I gonna still give you a project.
What day test?
Yeah, the big test is some a
No, what
summary.
day?
It could be Thursday, Friday.
I'm not gonna be here Friday.
Then
I'd rather live because yeah,
I
I
know.
have to. I'm just not gonna be here.
Then I could give it on Thursday. Then make up Friday. No panic, people. That's why I'm always, if the test is bad, I usually give a project. Project is a brain dead kind of thing that you do that is the same points with the test. So I usually give a project to boost your grade because project is 50% grade, test is 50%, and the project, if you do good, then you could make up your grade for the test, so, but let's see. What are your answers here for this one? So let me just look at the answers. Okay. So 5.5 equals 11 over 2, 11 over 8, and then you multiply because it's so 4. You label your answer, Tiffany. You too, Alana. You always make sure you label your final answer, guys, because that will tell you what is it about. What is 4? For what? 4 pieces or 4 inch? So sometimes you mistook it for what it is. The post test will always be by the time. It's given on that day and on that time. All right. So if I give it on Thursday, it should be done right after the class. All right. So, um, Angelina, you need to show me work and how you get them. So it looks like you guys are good. We did this in elementary school, people. Did you, right? So we are really good at this. Oh, I love this. Look.
I don't remember doing this in elementary school.
Oh, I know. Thank you, Alana. In elementary school, you do multiplication. You
I
multiply.
remember doing this in fifth grade.
But sixth grade do the division. That's why we skip. Not really.
No, we did do
Focusing.
division in.
You did too. So okay, you guys need to
My
label.
teacher taught us division.
All right, that's good. So Joy, Annie, Serena, Kariha, Zarif, and Bunny, you didn't answer this question though, because it's not in your curriculum. All right, it's not in your. You don't need to know it because in sixth grade that's why you focus. All right, so usually we're gonna write something on to explain. Remember in the last time when I asked you to explain something, you should be writing something that I divided this because I did that because there should be because on the statement. All right, you guys go. Explain the strategy. I'm gonna open student base for this, so you could go back to your work in the previous page. So page 5 and 6 works together. So now you could go back to your answer from here, and you explain here. You explain the strategy you use to solve the problem in slide 6. Make sure you use wave to support your answer. Writing argument. Nikki, what's wave again? Nikki,
Written and or verbal evidence.
Nikki, what's wave?
Wave is written and or verbal evidence. How do we get written or verbal evidence for a math problem? Oh, you just explain.
You just explain, and you should just do the because part. I don't know why I lost the thing here.
Okay, so we like don't need the verbal evidence and stuff.
You just have to say I divided this and that because. There should be a because part. Guys, you're not gonna explain it using first I did this, second I did that, third I did that. That I'm not asking for steps. I'm asking for what did you do to solve the problem and why did you do that. So for example, I divided this and that because, and before I do that, I need to change mixed number to the because. There should be because in your explanation. That's what I'm looking for. Why did you do that? And to say because I did this. Why are you dividing it, Lena? So like last time we did this wave thing and I graded it for you and I put like say more details, right? So like for example, I gonna use the 1.5. I multiply 1/2 by 1/3 because I need to know What is 1/3 of 1/2? Like that. I need to know how much pizza was eaten by John from the leftover. Whatever, I forgot what question was that. You're gonna base this slide 6 to slide 5. So how many pieces will she make? Then you're gonna say your answer was 4, and how do you get 4? And why did you do what you do? I'm just gonna see because it's just a practice. So because in the next unit, I'm really gonna focus on writing, like explaining. Another minute. I think it's slide 5. Jen, I think it's slide 5. The problem in slide 5 you can explain in slide 6. And some of you are writing a novel. 30 seconds, people. Finish up your statement.
Is there any way to change the size of like the font in Peer Deck or no?
I don't know. I think, did you see this corner? Oh, I could not see it here. You highlight them. Why you need more space?
You could press the little thing
Yeah,
that
there's a
you could
little
change
bar.
the
There's a
yeah,
little
and
bar
then
in
you
the
could press
corner.
it, and then you can make it
Bigger
bigger
or
or
smaller?
smaller.
Yeah.
It's like near where you press the pencil. There's that size thing. When you go to text, there's also
What did you do, Alana? Oh, I thought you deleted them. All right, Alana, go to page 5 to continue. Oh, there you go. I'm able to make it small. All right, guys, finish up your statement. All right, let me look at some of your answers, and I will not show who is it. Okay, I just want to see, so that is still working on progress. All right, so let's
Can we
read it.
go to number 7? Slide 7.
Yeah, let me see this one. The whole number x. Oh, it's not work. Is yours still working? I guess you're still working. Guys, I didn't ask you to really write like long. Alright, so I think you guys are not done. So I'm closing it for a
But you
moment.
said to use details. Looking at a short sentence and maybe use like detail in that.
Okay, could do that. Alright, so since this one is open, so for those who are done with slide 6, I would like you to go to slide 7 and look at this one. So your task for today is you're going to your Google Classroom. There are math Excel practice there. There are 9 questions in the Google Classroom. Um,
There. You didn't post it in Google Classroom.
didn't I? It's supposed to be open for you. Oh, it's open for you next period, but let me open it right now. Math Excel. See, it's open at 10 because I'm thinking of giving it to you at 10. Do we have time right now?
Yeah, we still have like
It ends at 9:17.
All right, I'll open it.
I think I could finish in 10 minutes.
It depends on what the question
No, there are
is.
9 questions here in this one. All right, it's open.
So maybe we'll finish now, but we still have to do like
Later.
maybe we'll have to do some later.
No,
Can
the
I
same
close
thing.
pre-book
I don't think you could finish it in like the Savvas. There are 9 questions there, and I don't think you could complete them by the end of this period. I think we're gonna still gonna continue when we come back. So
Could you exit out of the peer deck once you finish slide
once
six?
yes, once you're done with slide 6, you could get out of Pure Deck. I just want to see some answers if who is done. Here Alana is done. Slide 9.
Oh, I'm done
Oh, no, no.
also.
Slide 9 is just my extra thing. I need them. I might need them. You don't need it. All right. So the strategy I used to solve the problem in slide 5 was algorithm. I converted both numbers. Okay. All right. Let's look at the other one. Guys, you're writing like too much. I asked you to explain it.
So you have to write that much to explain, okay?
I know, but it doesn't really tell. The long explanation doesn't really guarantee perfect score in math. Not like in ELI, the more details you put, um, I think it's.
Well, you should be at least be happy that we
Yeah, I'm very.
understand and we're writing so much. So yeah, still continue.
Selena, that's very true. I'm not arguing with you with that one.
Okay, good.
I gonna I keep this open. I'm gonna put a note for you. I hope I could write over in this. Looks good. All right. So you guys work on the next page. Um, you guys start with your math Excel practice. It gonna be there gonna be 9 questions in there. So if I gonna go to Savvas, teach, right, teach hub. It's okay, Jen. It's gonna be over soon. So um we are in 1/6. Wait, there are 9 questions. You're all already done with Savas? It is just
I'm on number 7.
this
I'm
is
on number 4.
alright, so there's this one. So these are the questions. There are 9 of them. So work on it. Alright, I'll be quiet guys so you could work. So make sure you do your homework also for 20 minutes and I'm ready for this week. And this was Lena's asking what are this slide 9? Slide 9 is just I use those for those faces of the monsters. He
Can I
made
start the Envision after we come back from science?
Sure, of course. That is supposed to be next period. All right. So work on it. I'll be quiet.